looking forward to learning the history behind the castles.
I want to do sword fighting to learn how to be a knight.
I'm looking forward to making shields to defend myself from the knights, and because I love making arts and crafts.
I want to build a Lego castle so I can live in it.
I want to see a real-life dragon in the Dragon Parade.
I want to visit all the castles to see what it was like to live in the medieval times.
I think the Kids History Festival is cool because you get to know the history of the places you visit, like the castles in Wales.